Hi folks, Jack Broom again, Smolich Motors Internet Department. There's not much bad to say about this. 1993 Ford Ranger XLT pickup truck. Oldie but a goodie. This vehicle's straight, it's clean, it's inexpensive, and it's waiting for you. Tires are good. Interior is clean, hard to find manual transmission. I mean, it's just amazing to find something this age that's been taken care of like this. Beautiful bed liner, rear sliding window, straight, clean pickup truck. Tow package already put in place. Power windows, power door locks, they do work. Rear sliding window, it does work. All the way good to go, all the way. If you'd like some more information about this beautiful little pickup truck or some of the other fine vehicles that we have in our Smolich inventory, please call me, Jack Broom, 541-639-8580, or visit us on the web at www.smolichmotors.com, home of everything auto. Thank you.